For console gamers looking to make their experience even more immersive, switching to a projector is a great option. It lets them intensify their gameplay with larger images than those offered by TVs and monitors. However, selecting any projector won't do the trick. If you have decided to take the plunge, here's what you'll need to take into account. In this video, we are looking at key technical specifications to look out for when choosing a projector for gaming. Before we dig in, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now, let's get to it. One of the first questions gamers would like to know is that do projectors support gaming consoles and to what degree? Yes, most new age projectors support gaming to a large degree. As long as the projectors have the latest HDMI inputs and support 4K natively or via upscaling, you should be fine. That being said, if you want to take full advantage of your console's high-powered specifications to create a truly immersive gaming experience visually, you will need to check the projector's level of support in a few key areas. In this regard, refresh rate is one of the most important parameters. Refresh rate or refresh frequency is the rate at which a projector projects the images or frames in a video broadcast. Essentially, you can think of it as the frame rate for a projected video. Frame rate is usually measured in frames per second or FPS, and refresh rate is measured in Hertz. That being said, both are pretty much the same thing. A projector with a refresh rate of 120 Hz projects 120 frames every second. The refresh rate is an important measure for a projector's performance because a higher refresh rate means a video quality with cleaner, smoother motion and less blur. Basic video content such as movies is usually created with 24 or 30 Hz refresh rate or frame rate, with some hitting 60 Hz benchmark. For gamers though, a 60 Hz refresh rate should not be the benchmark, instead it should be the floor. That's because new age consoles can push out visuals of up to 120 Hz. So, only a projector that supports such refresh rates are able to ensure the most optimal gaming experience available. Input lag and latency. Another key item a gamer has to pay attention to with a projector is its input lag specifications. Input lag or latency for projectors refers to the time between when the audio-video signal from the input source is received by the projector and when it actually projects the video that corresponds to that signal. This lag severely affects the viewing experience. Low input lag time is one of the key things to focus on when choosing a projector for gaming and content with high frame rates. We have done a detailed video on input lag on our channel. You should definitely check it out to understand this better. Resolution. The whole idea to play games on a projector is to have a screen size bigger than 100 inches plus. Based on the levels of visuals produced by AAA publishers, it is recommended that gamers look for a projector that supports 4K resolution, preferably with 120Hz support. Aim to opt for a model that natively supports a 4K resolution and not one that merely upscales the resolution via software or hardware technologies. ANSI lumen brightness. A projector's brightness value also determines its ability to reproduce the visuals as the designer imagined it. As minute details are super important in gaming, opt for a projector that can hit 3000 ANSI lumen brightness. Dedicated gaming modes. Aim to opt for projectors with gaming mode settings that help fine-tune visuals further. Modern gaming projectors bundle in a suite of features that include wide color gamut, higher image quality and rendering, motion blur reduction, HDR and other proprietary technologies. We would also like to highlight the importance of having a good projection screen with a high gain to get the optimal experience. If your gaming area is prone to a lot of light, we recommend considering an ambient light rejecting projection screen. Finally, the best part of choosing a gaming projector is that by default they deliver an amazing watching experience in your movies, TV shows, live sporting events and other content with high frame rates. Uberpad has a great collection of high-quality projectors from leading global brands. If you need any further assistance on buying one for your gaming rig, feel free to get in touch with Uberpad support. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more such interesting and informational videos. Thank you for watching.